Hello there, Andrew Ronley from WeBuildYourBlog.com, and this is my third video in my Speeding Up Your Blog series. And this video we're going to cover a couple of small changes which you can make to your blog, which is going to speed it up a little bit more. Not too much, but it will speed it up, and it's worth doing because it only takes you 5 minutes to set up. First plugin is called WP Optimize, and if you click on, once you've installed it and activated it, you can click on the link here under your dashboard, and this is a screen which you get up. And what you can do with WP Optimize is that you can remove all of your post revisions. So every time you do a change to a post, it keeps the previous version of the post. And if you're like me, you may do 3, 4, 5 different versions of updating it before you're happy with it, and all of those previous versions take up space on your database. So this plugin easily and simply allows you to remove those, and that can improve your blog speed. Now, it's not going to knock 2 seconds off the loading time, but it might knock off a few tenths of a second, so it's all worth doing. And the other thing it does is it optimizes your database tables as well. So there's these 2 checked boxes there. So if I check that box there, which says basically remove these 57 previous versions of blog posts I have in my database, and optimize the database table, I'm going to click check that. Now, if I scroll down just before I say yes, do those 2 tasks, you'll see it gives you a list of all your different database tables. And it says here that they've already been optimized, meaning they don't really need to be optimized. But if I scroll down, you'll see that there's a couple here in red, so these ones here need to be optimized. If I scroll all the way down, there might be there's another one here. So what they're saying is it's worth doing, optimize those. So if I double click those, optimize tables, remove all post revisions, and then I just basically click process. What that will then do is remove those post revisions and optimize databases. So you can see that I've now got no previous versions of my posts, i.e. old versions, and if I then scroll down, you can see that all of the files have been optimized. So you can tell you that they're the ones which it just optimized by doing. Now you can do that. You can then go in and deactivate the plugin. I only activate it once a month or so to enable me to get rid of the post revisions. With regards to optimized database tables, I don't actually use this plugin, although I just showed you that you can. I use the WP Database Manager plugin, and once you've installed the WP DB Manager plugin, not only does it do a backup of your SQL files, in the options you can say that you want your database files to be optimized. So if I click on DB options there and I scroll down here, it tells me here, it gives me the option to automatically optimize my database files, and it will automatically update them every day or optimize them every day, and you can have every minute, every hour, every week, every month, and I just do it every day. So you don't actually need to do anything other than set that up every day, and it will optimize your database files for you automatically. So you can see here the next one is February the 17th, and today's February the 16th because it's just done it for me. And the other thing you'll see here is that you can do an automatic backup of your database as well. And these are your SQL files of your blog. It's not everything to do with your blog. I don't actually use this to do my backups. I use the Backup Buddy, which backs up everything, including the SQL files. So I don't bother actually doing this part of it. I just use this plugin for the optimization of the databases. And that's it. So you can install those 2 plugins. First one is WP Optimize, and it can get rid of your previous post revisions, and you can do one-off optimization of your database files. And the second one is the WP DB Manager plugin, and you can set this up. Once you set it up, it takes you 2 or 3 minutes to set it up. Leave it, forget it, and let it run every day to optimize your database files. As I say, these aren't going to significantly improve your blog speed, but they will improve your blog speed, even if it's by only a tenth or a couple of tenths of a second. It's all worth doing, as it only takes you a few minutes to set up, and you can leave it and forget it. And that's it for this video, and I shall see you in the next one. All the best. Thanks. Bye.